Hello everyone, and welcome to another video by CashFlow Rebels. Today we're going to go over a 30-day review of my Roth IRA portfolio. This portfolio was set up to show an example of reinvesting dividends and to see the potential capital gains grow. This account started off with roughly under $5,000, and it's slowly growing, and it's to show you the journey of each dividend payouts. So before we start, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to check out the first video in this series to kind of show you the day one of this journey. You're also going to be able to see more details of the stocks that are in this portfolio, so feel free to check them out. To recap from last month in October, my balance value was $4,839.98. I only contributed $50 for that month, and I also got a payout of $52.68 in dividends. All my holdings are the same, except for one change that I made in the beginning of November. I decided to sell my stocks in QYLD, and I'll explain. So today, on November 17th, my total balance is $5,318. The major contributor to this amount is the increase in value of CLM. Last month, they were at $13.08, and now this month, they're at $14.32. Since they're about 80% of this portfolio, it really makes a big impact when it goes up, and it also makes an impact when it goes down. So now I only have 10 holdings and hopefully plan to research some more to develop this dividend portfolio. Now, to explain the change in my portfolio on why I had a QYLD, I made this purchase because I wanted to definitely expose myself to the S&P 500 because QYLD had a strategy of option calls. And if you know about options, you definitely know that they're a different type of strategy rather than just investing and putting money into a stock. The QYLD option strategy was just something that didn't fit what I wanted. Plus, I already had another stock, which is RYLD, which is the same type of investment, but they were investing in the Russell 2000 index. So I felt like I already had enough S&P exposure with CLM, and then I had another exposure with RYLD with the Russell 2000. So they basically make the same type of income and pay out almost the same amount of dividends, but I just felt it was better in my interest to also have one rather than both. I also looked at the expense ratio, and since I know CLM has a high expense ratio, I wanted to remove one to help lower my cost. This helps actually in the future because expense ratios do take a big toll on your expenses. So I have a question for everyone. Looking at my 10 dividend stocks and knowing that I get a contribution of about $100 each month, what would you invest that $100 each month? Would you, one, put it all into one stock every month? Or two, put it into each individual stock slowly based on the loss or gain, or just based on dividend payouts? Well, drop us a comment and let us know what you think the best strategy would be. And I appreciate you guys watching. Please just subscribe to our channels to check out some more videos. And we're also going to do another review in another 30 days. Thank you for watching.